Hey guys, it's Bethany here with Nutritious and Delicious, and today we're going to be talking about foods that you may be cooking wrong, and I have 5 of them for you, so stay tuned. Hey, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about 5 foods that you may be cooking wrong. I have compiled a list here for you guys, and we're going to talk about this so that you're going to cook them properly. So the first one is garlic. Most people actually put them into a hot pan where the garlic actually burns. So what you want to be doing is you want to be heating the oil up with the garlic so it doesn't burn, and also adding it to the end of your food rather than putting it in the beginning and cooking it, and then it overcooks with all the other food in there. Number 2 is herbs. So the woody herbs like rosemary, sage, thyme are strong enough actually to withstand cooking. So you can go ahead and put them into food that you're going to cook for barbecue, oven, or even in the pot, right? But the more delicate herbs, these easily can get lost in the cooking of the food, and that's things like tarragon, parsley, cilantro, and those are the ones you want to be actually adding to the end of your food. Number 3 is chicken. So most people think that chicken, when you're barbecuing it, they forget to actually pat the chicken dry before they cook it. So you want to get the excess water off of the meat, otherwise it's going to have kind of like a weird white film and it doesn't brown. So if you want to keep the juices nice inside, you're going to sear the outside when it's actually dry. Number 4 is steak. So when you put a steak on the barbecue, or say you're cooking it on a stove or a George Foreman grill, you actually want the meat to rest when you're done. So the meat will continue to cook. So if you have a medium rare piece that's come off the grill, it actually will go medium because it's cooking a little bit more. So you want to give it about 5 to 10 minutes to do that as well. And last but not least is avocados. This cool thing as well, I've learned recently, is if you actually pop the stem off the avocado, you can see underneath what the color is. So that's pretty cool. So if it's black, then it's obviously overripe, and if it's yellow, then it's pretty good to go. So that's an awesome way to figure out these 5 ways to cook your foods. And I wish you guys good health, and I'll see you later. Bye for now.